Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Ovia Northeast, they beg the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, make you no give Edo land to Fulani herdsmen. Make I leave you now, make you hear the message where they send give the Edo State Governor.
Governor Obaseki, domo daddy, okay, see ya. Na leader so lao baba lao. Mwi mato le Fulani baba lao, okay, iwa digwe na lao baba lao. Motedo de Fulani lao otedo ke mu de Fulani Governor Obaseki lao du hi ave do bowe muniya jovia ovia jovia lao o kwe Fulani ma kwa lo egbe lao wo daddy lao umi amagba o me o wekene abato Obaseji o me o wekene ebostoje ya mu ne Fulani be wani wa ile pa iwani we no wen Ubi ade sadi kpoba iwodo ekene we esi ofo maje iyan le si ofo do yan wa kere wa se ti o sanse no khodin kekere me na imalo agbogun baba lawo ho fiani yan le wani ni agwe Fulani aroba. I greet now my people. Now good morning. I greet everybody according to how na time talk on that way. And the voice of Don Black be this. It's one early morning. Now office I did so based on hustling, but I just want quick drop this short message to Governor Godwin Obaseki. Though we dey see wetin dey happen for Edo, not be news again. But e get this recent video when I see about Governor Godwin Obaseki when he himself do say misguided or I don't know how it is speak that grammar. You know, say me I know sabi speak those kind big grammar. Now grammar when they speak when they take they deceive us, na be that one. Say he want give. He used that word, say must. He want give lands from the 018 local government to Fulani herdsmen. So me, I know we guess where bad they good still the day inside. I know for good Fulanis, some of them good, while they are bad ones. But the bad ones not let us know the good ones for the atrocity when they commit. Me myself, I don't feel come off for carry my two leg come off from Benin, Edo State, say I they go Fulani State or Fulani, I don't know their domain. Say I want go they misbehave. The way then they come off from their own state, they come Edo State, call they misbehave. So it not surprise me because now the kind of governor when we get now be that one. Now his lifestyle be that one, now his way of life be that one. Mr. Governor, you just come out say misguided people. Okay, you now they tell us now say atrocity when Fulani herdsmen they cause for those states there. Say you know the year. Yeah, Mr. Governor. How mama mia? Yeah, I don't understand. Before I forget wetin make me just come do this video. Governor Obaseki, domo daddy, okay, see ya. Na leader so lao baba lao. Mwi mato le Fulani baba lao, okay, iwa digwe na lao baba lao. Motedo de Fulani lao otedo ke mu de Fulani Governor Obaseki lao du hi ave do bowe muniya jovia ovia jovia lao o kwe Fulani ma kwa lo egbe lao wo daddy lao umi amagba o me o wekene abato Obaseji o me o wekene ebostoje ya mu ne Fulani be wani wa ile pa iwani we no wen ubi ade sadi kpoba iwodo ekene we esi ofo maje iyan le si ofo do yan wa kere wa se ti o sanse no khodin kekere me na imalo agbogun baba lawo ho fiani yan le wani ni agwe Fulani aroba. baba rejo via la ovia rejo la iwado imi idikwe je no wan la wowo ma wa kwe Fulani we gbe la imi eje iyen ge ni maro bo so pa ma me de gwale opa un tan ni ro ma ki ma eni ma la baba la o we ti be fian ni ave government house wa ni agu we be aro na o we asin egbe mama ni do kwe Fulani wo via o la baba e do imi awe ije cause egbe wa woren maya ane oku igbina ke dere do state kere ni ade ne youth na gbele gbin wa we do state e governor Godwin Obaseki ma ladian nu dogun ayoge e na ya gbiku yewo na hina ina opa edema ne ti ma vigima ni ake sowo kada ne ti ma vigima ni ake sowe ase uyere we side uyere bodo ne ti ma vigima ni ake sowe side ugo e governor Godwin Obaseki umajo umagun aladian uri mi okwe kere no sunu na ni mu Fulani esme muya moisi imabe gieni o imabe eni ma yan be wuweri yo I condemn ati ni when I do ladian una wu do ni una we ulewo kan to amosto motie do wa avion le Fulani ni ado adia oya le yin mi awo no we la agbomo igwe ya yin aban do amuniyan be gome asiwa yo gwe wa be sikewe wa u be fiani ave since eti local government we take wa ka we ovia in ewo fiani ava magba we have sada AC of 4 men we afiani ya wo do babalao because a governor if you one we ma follow a tin we ni bi edo ni wa gbelegbe ni gulo unnecessary edo wa that means we ma follow yan e ma ta ma we na eta because ba follow yan who put a stop he was a governor of those state in on the politics in wa get yan disturb you well so every journey wa ka bok pa mo di wa get ma ti zien o ma kere ya so wa and now we are doing me away lao baba only wa doing me away mo to via my moto via na mule Fulani esme e Fulani esme ayen ni ma be ro awun dan wa susu iya ma iga ni ma ni ro eni memewo community no we iya gwaligo awiyan obvious ro iya gwaligo ni kiyoto ya doctor be Fulani make dem go acquire land if na 1 acre of plot or if na 1 plot if na 2 plots make dem buy from different community make dem dey do their ranches make dem dey rear their cow there if you go place like Amagba now if you give them 4 plots if they can't use force collect 10 plots I believe the way their high open reach here they no want make dem come collect 10 plots if na 4 plots they give them legally. But you governor, you say you want use force collect our ancestral land, give Fulani. When be say Fulani now, they'll come cook that their kangaroo evil. Then they'll begin to slaughter people the way they're doing for Benue or the way they're doing for all those their northern aside. Especially Ovia, your count of your command. We don't need that for Ovia. I know say our local government chairman Scott, Ogbemuja Scott, only man. My kukuma local government or masoni e oni lajan dogun ori me dogun na nu wala gogo wa we gume yin Obaseki governor Obaseki wa gume yin anything no can via when else if okwe Fulani ari odo ni when else okwe Fulani ari odo if Fulani need land make they go to each of the community where make they go request if those people really want give them land or want sell for them. Make them sell for them. Not be governor, you say you want use force, collect land for the whole 18 local government. You want give one to Fulani. Governor Godwin Obaseki no where they now na all logo now. They going away you. Agree to my people. Me I face what I do this morning. God bless all of them. Make me share. May reach Governor Godwin Obaseki doorstep. Thank you. Agree to one love my people.
Now we don't hear the message wey don send give the Edo State governor. Let us know what you think for comment section. And before you go, make you help us share this video. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with the video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan AIG YouTube.